In this video, I'll show you how to hide apps on Android phones. This video is only for educational purposes only. Make sure what I'm going to show you in this video. Now I'm using my Redmi Note 13C, and this phone or this Android phone is going to be able to help you to do this. So find the security tab, right? So find the security icon. So this is the security icon. So I'm going to just click on it. I'm going to swipe up to open toolbox. You're going to be able to see hide app. So from this option, you can be able to come on here and select any app you want to hide. So once you just click on it, you're going to be able to hide the app. So if you look right here, you're going to be able to see 3 app icons hidden. So just what you need to do, just come on here and turn on all the app you want to hide here on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you on the very next video.